Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are talking about different types of relationships that we can find in different properties of sludge. They can always come handy in treating wastewater. In this lesson, we talk about sludge density and expression of the concentration of dry solids. So first of all, we'll talk about sludge density. As we discussed in our previous lessons as well, most of the sludge is composed of water. So the sludge density is almost identical and very close to water. Usual values are between 1.02 and 1.03 for the liquid sludge during its treatment, and it is between 1.05 and 1.08 for the dewatered sludge, which is going to the final disposal site. So you can see here the density is very close to water. Now how can we find the concentration of solids present in sludge, and how can we define the concentration? The concentration of solids in the sludge is expressed in the form of dry solids, that is excluding the water content. So जो भी sludge में water content है, अगर हम water को remove कर दें तो बाकी जो भी बाकी रहेगा वो solids होंगे, suspended solids होंगे, और वही उसकी sludge की concentration कहलाएगी. The concentration can be in mg per liter or can be in percentage as well. Percentage वाली values को ज़्यादा यूज़ किया जाता है और इन दोनों values को हम आपस में relate भी कर सकते हैं. For example, you can see here the concentration in mg per liter or in percentage. Those can be related by concentration in percentage is equal to concentration in mg per liter into 100 divided by 1 into 10 to the power 6 mg per kilograms into density kilogram per liter. So that's how we can relate the concentration in mg per liter units with the percentage units. Since in most of the sludge processing stages the specific gravity is close to 1, हमने पहले भी जिक्र किया इसका, obviously except for the dewatered sludge, क्योंकि उसमें से water remove हो चुका है. So उसके अलावा जो sludge होगा उसमें जो specific gravity है that is close to 1. So based on this assumption we can simplify the above equation and it will become like concentration in percentage is equal to concentration mg per liter, and the rest of the things will be simplified. It will result in factor of 10,000. So for instance, for example, a sludge with a concentration of 20,000 mg per liter, जो कि हम concentration की बात कर रहे हैं mg per liter, could have the same concentration expressed as 20,000 divided by 10,000 is equal to 2%. So you can see here कि अगर कोई ऐसा sludge है जिसमें जो solid waste है उसकी concentration 20,000 mg per liter है, तो उसको हम 2% of dry solids के लिहाज से भी represent कर सकते हैं. Thus each 100 kg or 100 liters of sludge has 2 kilogram of dry solids and therefore 98 kilograms of water. This was about the concentration of dry solids and how we can relate it from mg per liter to the percentage values. I will see you in next lessons.